today we are going to discuss another literary term, and that is plot. The plot is a very technical term. The plot does not mean any land or any pasture, but here the plot is used in this sense that how the story of the play or the novel is structured. That is not like the synopsis, not it is in a short form, but how the writer or the dramatist systematically narrates, structures the story of the novel or the drama or any other thing else. So, plot is necessary. A good plot is necessary in order to bring out a particular emotional and artistic effect. If the story is not well structured, then the climax, the result would not be so effective. It will not give so much impact upon us. So that's why Aristotle defines plot. How he defines plot? A plot has a unity of action. It is single, complete and ordered structure of emotions. Now the technical term is unity of actions. It means that the episodes, the running of the story is structured in such a way that all the incidents, all the episodes are interlocked, they are interconnected. It doesn't look that one episode is totally different from the main story. So all the characters and all these episodes and all the running of the story contribute in making a unified plot. All the parts are closely connected, but you cannot take out anything from it and the story would not be smooth. The story would not be running in the same way. The withdrawal of any part will disjoin the whole. It's just like a box. If you open a joint, then the whole box would be disordered. So similarly, a unified plot is just like that, where all the incidents are structured in such a way that you cannot take out anything from it. In this way, a series of episodes do not constitute a unified plot. So this is also very important. That continuous running of the episodes doesn't mean that it is going to be a well-knit story. In Elizabethan drama, there is another term. A subplot was also used successfully. It is also used in our Hindi films, where there is a story where the hero and the heroine are involved, and similarly there is another story of comedians. Their affairs also runs like that. And in this way, the subplot contributes, helps to make the main plot more effective. It is a second story that is complete and it's interesting. So it is just like the main plot, the subplot also runs in the same way. It is skillfully introduced in the play in order to enhance the effect of main plot. So it increases the emotional capacity of the plot. In many plots, the end involves a reversal in the hero's fortune. So in Shakespearean drama, where the people are aware of these stories, then what will happen next, just like our Mahabharata or Ramayana. So similarly, in Aristotle time or in Elizabethan time, the plays stories were well known by the audience. So the main plot, the good plot is that one in which there is a reversal in the fortune of the hero. There is a total change. The reversal depends on a discovery. It depends on a discovery that the hero finds out, the audience finds out in the end. The protagonist come to know the truth about which he was ignorant. The hero was totally ignorant about that reality, and in the end of the story he comes to know that that he was such a person. For example, Iago's role in Othello play Shakespeare. So the Shakespeare's plays all of the Shakespeare literature. Today, in this year, you have Macbeth in your course. So you will see that how the fortune of Macbeth totally changes towards the end. In the beginning, he was just the hero. He was the lover of all the Scotland people. But when the play comes to an end, he was the most hated person. He was the most hated person. Thank you very much.